Jareth here, and I'm going to show this little trick. This Schlage deadbolt cylinder has a clip, but it also has this round cap that keeps the tailpiece secure. So what you do, very simple, you first just remove the clip, just like normal. Clip is removed, okay? You take a hollow plug follower. This one is a Schlage brand follower actually, and so it just encapsulates the tailpiece, and you stick in your working key, turn it, and just push it all through. See? There it is. Just a little quick tip. Always carry a hollow plug follower, because you never know when you'll need it. Later.